from diverse backgrounds, and impactful leaders make a dent culturally, organizationally, and societally. How many of you have been playing it safe in your roles? Like you kind of see leadership and you're maybe thinking about it or you're just getting started, but you still play it safe. How many people play it safe? I did that for like a long time. I cried a lot and I played it safe along that line. But yes, we play it safe because it feels better, because it's easy. It's like comfort food. It is. We're gonna shed pounds. How many of you that are trudging towards leadership have that burning feeling somewhere in your belly? Like you really just need to step out on a limb and you need to make a move because time waits for no man or woman